Hey there guys, today I got an ABUS here. It's a 8270. It's part of the 82 series. Monoblock lock or shutter lock. Here's a look at the key bitting. There's a look at the key bitting. And sometimes this lock comes open really quick and sometimes it takes forever to pick open. Here it is working. Go ahead and lock it back up. There it is locked up. And I'll be using a tension wrench here and my Pagoda hook pick from Southord. See if we can pick this open quickly. There's a little bit of a false set. Another one. See if I can get it out of this. Maybe I've overset something. Yep, try that again. Get my first pin set here. There's the first one, second. There's another one set. Oh, I thought it was going to come open there. Let's see. There we go. Glad I got that open. So there it is, picked open. It's going to be the ABUS 8270 monoblock lock or shutter lock. There it is, picked open. And what makes this lock really hard to pick, or I don't know, it's just the key bitting. This pin right here at the tip, and then this pin right here. And there's another high one right there. So when you get them in a false set, it's really hard to get out of the false set because the pin's so high. But there it is, picked open. ABUS 8270. As always, thank you for watching, and you guys have a good one.